Alright guys, back again. We've got Rob D here. 2 boxes 2012-13 Panini Select Basketball. Live on Blowout TV. Alright Rob, good luck buddy, and also good luck tonight in our preferred 2-case basketball break. I know you've been looking forward to that for a week now. Alright, we'll do our Kobe pack first. Still have yet to hit an autograph out of one of those with all the Panini products we've opened. Alright, here we go. Box number 1. Got White Hot Thomas Robinson. A Thomas Robinson Hot Rookies. I think we might have a theme going on here. We've got a Refractor Hall Selections John Stockton. That one is 14 of 25. Hall Selections Drazen Petrovic. Redemption, rookie jersey autographs, card number 280, Jeremy Lamb. Prism Refractor, LeBron James, nice. And the last pack, Select. Numbered to 149, Dion Waiters. Base autograph. Alright, mini box number 2. Hall Selections, Dave Cowens. Dion Waiters, Hot Rookies. Prism Refractor, Kobe Bryant, nice. So the Kobe Refractor and the LeBron Refractor. All-Star, the Glove, Gary Payton. Number 2, 199. Got a Fab Melo, rookie auto. Damian Lillard Chrome. Refractor of Jason Terry. And our last pack. Still should have one more autograph. And we do. And it is... oh my gosh. Whew. I saw Cleveland Cavaliers for a second. Still a very nice hit. John Lore Gold Refractor autograph. I thought we might have hit the Kyrie Gold. That is number 9 of 10. Excellent hit right there. My heart was skipping a beat there for a second, Rob. Alright, box number 2. Just Breathe. Kobe base. Got Derek Williams, Hot Rookies. Refractor of David West. We've got a White Hot Norris Cole. I should have a hit here. Number 2, $3.99. Jersey autograph, Kyle O'Quinn. Refractor of Al Thornton. And number 2, $4.49. Quincy Acee, rookie auto. Alright, last pack, mini box 1 and box 2. Hall Selections insert, Larry Legend, Larry Bird. Alright, mini box 2. Got a Jimmer Fredette, Hot Rookies. Refractor, Wilt Chamberlain, nice. We have a David Thompson, All-Star insert. Number 2, $1.99. Kendall Marshall, base autograph. And a refractor, Tim Duncan. Really cleaned up on the refractors in these 2 boxes. Lots of nice ones. Next up, we have a redemption. Rookie jersey Prisms autograph. This is a refractor version. $2.74, Dion Waiters. And our last pack here, Rob. Finish up with a white hot Jimmer Fredette. Alright, buddy. Again, appreciate it. And I will have this waiting for you here when I see you next. Later.